Welcome to the new video tutorial guys. This is me Ron, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to connect ComboBox with database value and show value in the text box field if the value is selected from the list of the value in C#.NET using Visual Studio 2015 and SQL Server 2014. Now let's do it. First of all, open the Visual Studio and go to File and then click on New and then Project. A new window will appear. From this window, select the Visual C# from the left side of this window and then click on Windows, and here are the different type of projects you can create from this Visual C#. Now click on the top most, that means Windows Form Application, and give the name of the project. Now drag it over here and click on the toolbox. From the toolbox, drag for label and drop over the form for roll number, name, address, and email respectively, and then change the text of the label from the property window. Here goes roll number, and here goes name, here goes the address, and finally here goes the email. Now drag for text box and drop over the form for the roll number, name, address, and email respectively. Now change the name of the text box from the property window. Go under the design menu, top menu, and click on the name and change the name. You can choose whatever name you like. You can enter any name, whatever you want, because in the process of programming or coding, you should identify what text box name is associated with what label. So this is the important step to give the name of the text box. Now open the SQL Server and create one database. Now go to this inside the database and create one table for the field roll number. The data type of the roll number should be integer, and then the name. The data type for the name is varchar. Also the data type for the address also varchar. Finally the data type for the email also varchar. Now select the roll number column and set the roll number is the primary key. Now go to the column property and find out identity specification and expand it, and then select the is identity from no to s. Here you can see identity increment 1 and identity seed 1. It means the roll number is auto incremented. You should not give the roll number in the text field. Now save the table, give the name of the table. Now refresh it and go to that table and right click and then go to edit top to 100 rows. Now insert some value over here. There you can see roll number is auto incremented by 1. Now simply close this. Now go back to the Visual Studio and then drag on ComboBox and drop over the form. ComboBox drop. Now you should connect this application to the database. So double click over here and you should include one namespace using system dot data dot SQL client. Now here create one function. Public void fill combo box SQL connection con connect it to your database. SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection and the connection string goes here. Now go to the Server Explorer tab and then right click over the data connection and click on add connection. Change the data source to Microsoft SQL Server and select the server name. Basically the server name is your PC name. Now change the authentication mode to a SQL Server authentication. The username is always SA and the password is your own. Whatever password you set during the process of installing the SQL Server. And select the database. Our database is ComboBox new and click on OK. Now click on this data source and go to that property and click on the connection string section in Control A and Control C and paste over here and enter the password. Write the SQL query over here. Select all from the table and our table name is SQL command is equal to cmd is equal to new SQL command. Inside the parameter there goes the SQL string and connection. It means the command variable stores the connection store the query from the database when the connection is open. SQL data reader. This keyword is for reading the data from the database. My reader. Try open the connection. If the connection is closed, my reader. This variable is stored the query from the database. Execute reader. When there are multiple data in the database, we should loop. We are using the while loop for this purpose. Read. Now declare one variable that store the particular column field. We are gonna show here the name. So I am declaring the variable as name. My reader dot get string. And inside the parentheses, here goes the index 1. The index 1 means the index for the roll number is 0. The index is always start from the 0, and the index for the name is 1. Index for the address is 2, and the index for the email is 3. I'm gonna show the name in the combo box, so I'm using 1. If you want to show the roll number in the combo box, you must use 0. Now add the item to the combo box dot items dot add as name. Catch exception ax message box dot show ax dot message. Now call this function in the initialization field of the form and run your file. There you go. It shows the data from the database. Now if you want to make the program that shows when you click over this individual data, when you click on this third data, the all the field associated with this data should be shown in this text box. When the name is this, then the roll number, name, address and email should appear in this text box. For this, close this one and then go to the design of the form and double click on the combo box. Inside the combo box, copy the code from the here. While you should declare variable that stores the data from the database. String roll number is equal to my reader dot get string get int 32 because the roll number is the integer, and here goes the parameter index 0 to string. Because the roll number is integer, we should convert to the string. name is equal to my reader dot get string. Here go the parameter 1 string address is equal to my reader dot get string. 2 string email is equal to my reader dot get string 3. Now it should pass the data that are stored in this variable to the text field. So txt roll number dot text should show the value from the roll number. Txt name dot text should show the value from the name. Txt address dot text should show the value from the address. Cats exception ex message box dot show ax dot message. Now save, run the project. Here we have got some error over here. Now click here. There we go. Roll number is shown here. Name is shown here. Address is shown here. Email is shown here. We have forgotten one condition over here, where name is equal to two single quotes, inside two single quotes, two double quotes, inside two double quotes, two plus sign, combo box 1 dot text. When you select the text from the combo box, the particular value are shown in the text field. Now I can run the project, select the particular value here, select the another one here. There you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you think this video helped you in some extent, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share and like this video. Thank you guys for watching once again. Bye bye.